trying to figure out, like, what is this, okay? So, y'all, I ordered, like, 100 bubble mailers from USPS. So, just in case they don't fit up in there, I'm going to put them in here. But y'all do understand that y'all get this for free, right? Just FYI, and it's really cold. Just FYI, y'all get them for free. Free, okay? I had made a mistake of, like, ordering so many of, like, the boxes. Like, I ordered, like, 100 boxes of each, like, style that they had. And they were, like, just sending them off one by one. I thought they would have sent them off, like, all, like, 100, like, you know, right then and there. But it's like, dang, they didn't even do that. So, now I don't even want them because I'm over it. So, I just want my fragile stickers because you do get those for free as well. So, like I said, y'all, I'm about to go on pirate ship. Because today's going to be the first day we're going to use pirate ship, y'all. So, yeah. I don't even know what's about to happen because I need to take this out. Put this over here. Put this in this one. Boom, y'all. Boom. Boo, bitch. That used to be my favorite video. No. You gotta be like, boo, bitch. Nice to meet you. Yes, I know I'm going all out of order, y'all. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. And guess what, y'all? I don't care. But yeah, like I was saying, y'all, if y'all want any one of these packages, I'm pretty sure they're going to still be here next week. So, just stay on top of my Instagram and stuff. And, yeah, just stay on top of my Instagram, guys. And you guys will see everything that's going on. Like, there's so much that's coming. Like, there's so much that's about to be new here, y'all. Like, and I'm mad because my dang TV just started, like, working for real. Like, so we're gonna just get to our music, you know, our regular schmegular music that we listening to or whatever, you know, our beautiful lo-fi hip-hop, you know, the beautiful stuff that never fails me. Because apparently, that's what's going on right now. And I need to, like, do, like, a new email for the business. But I think I'm gonna do that whenever I am going about my website. So that will be a video of itself. I should have said stay logged in. Y'all know I hate whenever I don't do that. So yeah, like I was saying, she had saved that join. So like I was saying, like she was my coworker. Well, she was my manager. Like she wasn't even like a manager either. Like she was like the best manager I ever had. Like I'm just to access return labels, come here. Okay, y'all, so this is what pirate ship looks like, because this is my first time like using it, as I said. But this is what I want y'all to like grow with me, okay? This is literally why I ain't gonna just say like I'm just gonna do straight out like entrepreneur vlogs, but I'm definitely gonna do like entrepreneur vlogs once a week, and then like a regular vlog like once a week as well. But I hate that YouTube have like freaking, what's it called? Let me turn this down a little bit. I hate that YouTube have ads now, like. Let me put my scale that I got right up here. Starting at 0. Okay, guys. Okay, so this is for pirate ship. Let me come up here. Let me just tap it a little bit. Tap. There we go. So this is what it looks like. It's nothing much. You can just go up here to do like a single to get your label. I guess because that's what I'm be using. So you can just do all your labels and stuff. And it just says welcome aboard, blah blah blah. Ship your first package. So it's just telling me what I would do. And then I have to do a payment method. And blah 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 blah. And also, y'all, shipping is $3 with me. And the only reason why I'm saying $3 is because at the end of the year, USPS. What's that? Is it a 2x7? Oh, y'all, I could have really got like a whole different printer. Oh, wow. I ain't never... They talking about... They have like 2 other printers that I really never knew about. And it's like the Brother QL-800 series. Or the Dymo, DYMO 450. And it was like that Prince 99019 labels. What is that? That's like 2.4 by 7.5 labels. So wouldn't that just be like these labels, like those regular shipping labels? That's crazy. But let me get back to being brown skin. Cause I could not see myself, y'all. Okay, y'all. Okay. That's cool, y'all. Okay, that's cool. That's mad popping. That is mad popping. Let me When this girl's up, like, girl, why you up, baby girl? Baby girl, go back to sleep. It's tiring. Okay, so basically on my Venmo, this is what I see. Hold on, let me see if I could see three scrunchies, 21. So she bought 3, so that's $6 each. And then she paid $3 for shipping. And yes, it's $3 for shipping for your whole order. Not $3 shipping for this one. Not $3 shipping for this one. I did learn my mistake when I did that. But so right now I'm just gonna transfer that money. But I ain't gonna do no instant because I really ain't in no rush. So I could just pay like with what money I have on my card for it. So I just gotta make sure it's going to the right account. You know, because I don't want to, okay. I don't want to like throw my money out there and it's definitely not going to my bank account. I have no purchase fees because I use that. Y'all, get a Capital One card. Like, for real, get a Capital One card, y'all. But anyways, it says that the money comes into like 1 to 3 business days, business days or whatever, and it's no fee. But instant, it's a 1% fee, and I guess the max is $10 or whatever. So that's the max they could take out, I'm guessing. So I'm gonna just do 1 to 3 business days. I'm really not pressed about it because I know with Capital One, whenever you press this, it's usually like I should have done it yesterday because it would have came in today. But since I didn't, I'm gonna just do it today and it should come in on Monday. So yeah, we're just gonna do that. I'm just going through everything. They're telling me to go through like my credit insurance for my Capital One card and stuff. So I'm just doing that right now. Because like I said, this is the first time I ever did this. So is my Wi-Fi on? I hate whenever my Wi-Fi is on my phone, like my regular phone. Return. We're gonna try this again because y'all acting like y'all can't do it. Talking about something. We can't get into your account. There we go. How to do it one more time, y'all. Cause y'all got me crazy. Y'all got me bent. Y'all think y'all about to be doing some. Yeah, okay. And we're gonna do a text. Yeah, I'm just doing all this stuff now because like I never did this. So I just got my code. I don't ever look at my codes, even though I could like remember them like that. But I hope this works. Like I don't even think Loki. I only think that like one would fit in here, and I don't want to squish them either. So we're not going to use this. We're just going to use one of the USPS ones. This is a flat rate envelope. Priority mail. Hopefully. It looks so bad though. So I'm going to have to get like some rose gold of these on. But y'all think about like having my logo on here like in the middle like that. Kiss by C. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm just so excited. Okay. I don't even know what I'm doing. Like, this is my favorite song, y'all. Alright, 2476. I don't even know why I went on to PayPal. 24, okay. Transferring. Alrighty. Blah, blah, blah. So we just transferred that moolah. That moolah. Okay, they have like one rate anyway. Period. So this video is like already gonna be like 20 minutes long. And guess what? I don't care. But yeah, so what we're gonna do, y'all can see it. We're just gonna add these in here. We'll go like that. Like that. I don't know. I feel like they kind of, but I don't want them to be squish. Like, these ones are already squished. Like, you see this, y'all? You see this? Like, this is already bigger than what this is. Like, they would have never fit in there. They would have, like, they wouldn't have fit in here, like, at all. Like, and I ain't about to, yeah, because y'all see how, like, half open that is? Like, yeah, they would never fit in there. So we got that. We're going to, like I said, throw in my 3 business cards and her thank you card. I should, like, you know, write a little note saying, like, be on the lookout for a YouTube video with your package. Yeah. I'm going to do that. I'm so corny, y'all. I don't care either. Like, I'm so corny. I need a pen. Let's read this pen. Okay. So I got this from like Dollar Tree. It says thanks. So I'm just gonna write on. Where's my notebook? So we're gonna write on my notebook. Say thank you for him. So it's gonna say like be on the lookout for. Hey. K. B. C. Thank you. I don't even like how I'm writing with this pen, y'all, for real. I don't even. Just gonna say thank you for, you know, supporting me. Be on the look out for our YouTube video. we packed your smiley face emoji. Thank you for supporting. Yeah, we're just gonna go like that. So it says, like, you know, be on the lookout for your video, because we are packaging your order. So call Paul. Hey, thank you, girl. And we're just gonna put that in there. I got some little things. I'm just gonna like stuff a little bit of them in there. Just a little bit, just so you can still feel a little festive. And I don't have an invoice. I'm just gonna like fold it a little bit, just like this. Just like we fold like that, okay, y'all? And boom. So I just wanna only got like 3 of these cards left. But yeah. I don't even know what I'm trying to say, y'all. But yeah. Okay, let's weigh it. So right now, as y'all can see, this is, okay, can y'all see it? Can y'all see the zeros? So it's about like 4 ounces. Yeah, so it's about 4 ounces. So I'll put it in as 4 ounces. So let's just go into Pirate Ship, because we're doing this together, y'all. We're gonna do this together. Except for whenever I gotta go to our address and stuff. Okay. So here we go. Here we go. Here we go. All right, we're gonna say create a label. Okay, I'm not going to do this part yet. Okay. Just looking at it. Okay. Okay, y'all, let me go ahead, put in her stuff real quick, and then I'll come back so I can do this real quick. Where's my phone at? Y'all got some pretty friends. Like, I'm really happy I got the friends that I got. Like, I'm happy, like, I'm the ugly friend. Psych! Y'all thought I was gonna say that. Somebody called me ugly, like, what, a month ago? The most disrespect I ever got, y'all. The most disrespect I ever got. And I was like, girl, your page is private. Like, come on now, your page is whole private. I feel like her thing is gonna say like it's supposed to be like her first name, but I mean her first actual name, I guess. And I don't know if that's her actual first name or not. But this is what I know her from, so. And it's going to Hawaii, y'all. I forgot to tell y'all that. Hawaii. 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 My lips look so dry, y'all. Honolulu, Hawaii. Honolulu, Hawaii. Rubber stamps. Print extra information. Huh? Okay. Okay, y'all. So I just did all that. Just did all that. Okay. So now I was just saying, like, you know, like how I had, let's see if y'all can see from all the way over here. So right here, this is like just telling you like the drop down of all the boxes you could be using, like all the packaging boxes. And like I said, I'm using a mailer. So I'm using the padded envelope, priority padded envelope. Right. No, it's a flat rate envelope. Yeah. Yeah, it's the bubble mailer. I'm so slow, y'all. And so yeah, so they already know what it is, dimensions and everything else. So we're just gonna do our ounces. What did we say? Our ounces was 4 ounces. Okay, 4 ounces. I'm sorry, I had to like look at it, y'all. So 4 ounces. We're not going to use this as a repeat use because we don't even know if it's going to be a repeat use or, you know, or any of that. So, shipping came to $8. $8 for this, okay? Just the FYI. Now, if we want to do the little padded like how I had my if I was going to do this, which will probably be cheaper, most likely, we're going to do the envelope, padded envelope, you know, blah blah blah. Sorry. See, now this would be $4. Okay, so definitely it's a whole difference whenever you're like paying for this and for this. Like, yes, this comes free, but the shipping is expensive. But this is like, yeah, it's a padded mailer, blah 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 blah. So I'm just gonna be a cheapo. Okay, so this is like a first class package for USPS, so I'm confused on how that happens or whatever. So yeah, y'all. So we're gonna buy label. I need my card and stuff. Because I personally don't have my information on this thing yet. So yeah, y'all. every time I have to use it. I'm gonna say put $20 somewhere here. Okay, y'all, so now we about to print out our label. Like, oh, you can see where it's gonna go. Oh my God, this is so cute. Hold on, let's see if we can see it. Can y'all see it? I hope y'all can see it without this. You'll see it. Look at that. That is so cute. Ah, I'm so excited, y'all. But yeah. Okay, now let's do what we gotta do. Let's plug up our printer. Turn this joint on. Boom, she on, y'all. She on. Alrighty. We're going to print. It's not that one. Why I got so many different type of labels? Even though mine's like a 4x6. But yeah, there we go. This said Google Cloud Print. What's that? See, this is definitely like different from like Etsy. You know how Etsy you would just like yeah, I don't even know what to say. Like you was just like, yeah, you know. Like yeah. So we're just gonna print this now. I'm gonna print it now. I wanna like redo it just cause like I don't like how that one came out. Y'all should know by now that I have to do like 2 of them. Just because of how it be coming out. Like I don't be liking how it be coming out sometimes. Like for real, this crap be acting like I be trying to kill him or something. Like boop, it's on. So now I'm gonna put my little thank you sticker on it, and I'm gonna just hope and pray that my dang mailman didn't come yet. Okay. So that's the end of this video. This is gonna be the end of this video because it's gonna be too long, and I want to keep everything in here because I want y'all to hear what I'm saying to myself. Okay.